Tara, sama kayo sa gala namin.
Ngayong lumuwag na ang mga travel restrictions, muli, malaya na naman tayong makakapag-travel, gaya ng kalayaang naranasan natin bago ang pandemya. Malamang, napapaisip ka kung saan maaring mag-travel, sa Pinas man o sa kalapit bansa sa Asia. Panuorin mo ang bidyong ito.
Sa pagpapatuloy at final episode ng North Luzon Loop Adventure namin, una sa listahan namin ang Kapurpurawan Rock Formation. Kapurpurawan comes from Ilocano word purao, nangangahulugang puti, which describe the rock's stunning white limestone. Second destination natin, ang Burgos Lighthouse, the tallest lighthouse in the Philippines. Located on the top of a hill, the lighthouse offers stunning view of West Philippine Sea. Bago matapos ang day 4, puntahan natin ang bayan ng Banggi. Banggi offers a unique blend of historical charm and modern renewable energy, making it a fascinating place to visit. Kinabukasan, bumiyahe naman tayo papaway. Ang famous landmark nito, ang St. Augustine Parish Church. The Paway Church is a major tourist attraction in Ilocos Norte. Adventure seeker ka ba? Subukan ang thrilling activities like 4x4 off-road rides and sandboarding across the desert-like landscape. Riding a 4x4 in sand dunes is like unleashing your inner child in a giant sandbox. I-experience naman natin maging lokal dito sa Bigan. Calle Crisologo is the most famous street in Bigan. Walking down Calle Crisologo feels like stepping back in time, as the buildings and kalesa transport you to the atmosphere of the Spanish colonial period. Oras na para umuwi. Maraming mga magagandang lugar pa tayong madaraanan. Sa susunod na trip na lang natin i-explore ang mga ito. Thank God they let him complete this unforgettable and enjoyable trip.
One of my favorite activities when going to the North Luzon Loop is the camping and the exploration. I also like when we went to the sand dunes. I drove a ATV and rode a 4x4 with my family.
We did ATV, 4x4. We went to the beach, and it was really good there.
How about camping?
About camping. Oh yeah, we also went to the beach when we camped.
Yan, para sa mga gustong mag-long drive and gawin yung ginawa namin na North Luzon Loop na trip, siguro ang tip ko, you prepare yourself emotionally, mentally, and physically. So, gawin mo to kung nag-e-enjoy ka na mag-camping, nag-e-enjoy ka na mag-prepare ng food para sa mga pamilya mo. So, kung ganun yung interest mo, siguro sarap na experience na gawin mo din yung ginawa naming North Luzon Trip Adventure.
Sabi nila, life is a journey, not a destination. At meron din nagsasabing road trip are the equivalent of life's therapy session.
Give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you.
A family road trip adventure is more than just a journey. It's an opportunity to create lasting memories, strengthen bonds, and discover new horizons together.
You hold my
Embrace the unexpected, cherish the shared moments, and let each mile bring you closer as a family.
you and me.
The road may be long, but the joy you find along the way is immeasurable.
This road is not built. Like, look at it.
I swear that I'll stay here
Road,
with
this
you.
is a black.
Ang kilala, masyado maingay, peaceful ka.
Closer, I wanna stay here with you.
Kapit ko ya.
All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now.
Let's get it.
Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is
Sometimes you have to lose yourself to find yourself.
giving you my love, giving you my love.
Kaya travel far, for the road will change you.